Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Tuner on Security. In this video I'm going to show you how to solve a Steganography CTF challenge from Yellow Yak CTF. The challenge is called the Sneaky Cows. I've summarized the most important information about the challenge here. The task is to analyze an image in order to find the flag. You'll find the link to the challenge in the video description below. Let's jump into the challenge. Here we have the challenge, the Sneaky Cows. An intermediate exercise where you have to use some forensic skills. The cows have nothing to say about that funny looking patch of grass. Furthermore, they do not want to be clicked. Okay, so let's click it. There we have some sort of book appearing. Let's save this image. So here we have the image. Let's run file on it just to make sure that it is a PNG. Okay, perfect. And we could try and bin walk it. Nothing in particular there. We could run exif tool on it as well. So there's some sort of warning here. Trailer data after PNG IEND chunk. So I'm guessing that this image has been manipulated somehow. We can try and run strings on it. And here we have some sort of clue. Whenever the cows hide my secret documents, I ask myself, what would style sucks do? I'm not familiar with style sucks. Let's see if we can Google it. Okay, Steganography online, that looks promising. Here we have some sort of web application to encode and decode messages. So let's try and decode then, uploading our file. And let's try and decode. There we have the flag, Yellow Yak CTF. The cows are not what they seem. Okay, perfect. We solved the challenge. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.